Hey, what's shaking, you guys? This is Jeff Andersen with ABO Outfitters, and I'm going to introduce to you the 3-inch McRubber. This is the smallest McRubber in the lineup. It's a paddle tail offered through Svartzonker Tackle, our European company, made and designed by Claes Claesson, a famous fisherman over in Sweden and a great friend of mine. This little beauty is a really unique piece of plastic that most plastics that you see nowadays have the curly style twist tail, which catch a lot of fish. And we also offer the McRubber in a little twist tail. But this is a paddle tail that you don't see very often in a small rubber like this. They come in a 10-pack, and you can use a traditional long shank jig. You can straight retrieve them. You can pitch it out. You can rip them very fast through weeds. You can fish it very subtly, where you're popping the jig and you're just kind of letting it sit there. And you can also use a rip technique. This paddle tail here puts off a very unique vibration in the water that seems to work when a lot of other plastics don't work. So if you're looking for a unique presentation to rig on your long shank jig, this one will fit the need for sure. Another application that I really like this for is when we're shore fishing out in the Dakotas. We've put this on a jig, and the great thing about this lure is the castability of it. You can get a 5, 6, 7 extra feet of distance because there's not much drag on this piece of plastic. And instead of like casting a live minnow where it falls off traditionally, this thing is pegged on that long shank hook. So the 3-inch beauty McRubber offered through ABO Outfitters is a really powerful fish catching machine, whether you're chasing walleyes, pike, bass, whatever it may be. Put it on your jig, and hopefully it's gonna put a big giant fish in the net for you this summer. I'm Jeff Andersen. This is ABO Outfitters, where you can shop with confidence and fish with confidence.